We at Wisdom Structured Investments understand that retirement planning can be overwhelming. There's a lot of noise and confusion out there, and we want you to be able to sleep easy at night knowing that you'll get the retirement that you and your family deserve. We've looked at the various investment strategies and structures used by the top global pension funds to protect people's wealth and reap strong financial rewards at the same time. We've taken these proven strategies and enhanced them, creating an innovative investment product that is unlike anything else that is out there. Our product gives you enhanced equity rates of return while protecting your capital to give you that peace of mind. It's a complete retirement plan in one simple financial product. Don't postpone your retirement. Start investing wisely with wisdom and book your complimentary discovery call today to further explore how the Wisdom product can benefit you.
Did you know that 93% of Canadians have unused room in their RSP? If that's you, you're not alone. The word retirement terrifies most Canadians. So we did some creative thinking and developed a new groundbreaking investment tool which gives you 100% of the stock market return over 10 years. First thing, we protect your principal. This means, regardless of what happens in the market, after 10 years, your principal is protected by a Canadian Schedule I bank. Risk gone. Next, we use 2-to-1 leverage. That means you only provide 50% of the money today and the remaining 50% at the end of the term in 10 years, all while earning a return on double what you first invest. Using average historical rates of the TSX 60, this leverage would have enabled you to earn an annual return of 8.2% instead of 6.7% on your upfront investment, a 22% increase. By contributing to the investment in your RSP, an upfront $500 investment could actually be more like $250 with your tax refund, which actually makes the annual return on your investment go from 8.2% to around 20%. It's time to stop worrying about your future and start investing in it.